Imagine losing your vision almost overnight, plunging into a world of blurred shadows. For people with Leber hereditary optic neuropathy, or LHON, caused by a mutation in the MT-ND4 gene, this is a harsh reality. But thanks to groundbreaking advancements in gene therapy, there's now a glimmer of hope. A multinational study published in JAMA Ophthalmology has revealed remarkable results. 5 years after receiving Lenadogene Nolparvovec gene therapy, patients experienced sustained improvements in vision with minimal side effects. LHON is primarily caused by a mutation in the MT-ND4 gene in mitochondrial DNA. It leads to acute and severe vision loss, affecting retinal ganglion cells, neurons that transmit visual signals from the retina to the brain. This devastating condition predominantly affects young adults and has limited treatment options. Lenadogene Nolparvovec, an adeno-associated virus-based gene therapy, delivers a corrected version of the MT-ND4 gene directly into the eye. Previously evaluated in 4 clinical studies, it showed early success in restoring vision. The latest findings come from the RESTORE study, a follow-up to the Phase 3 Rescue and Reverse trials. In these earlier trials, patients received a single injection of the therapy in one eye, while the other eye received a sham injection. After 5 years of follow-ups, the results are compelling. At the start, patients' vision was severely impaired, averaging 20/600 on the Snellen chart. After therapy, vision improved to 20/500 within 2 years and remained stable through year 5. From their worst recorded vision, patients gained an average of 4 lines on an eye chart, a significant recovery. Interestingly, these improvements were observed in both treated and sham eyes. This supports the theory that therapeutic DNA may transfer to the untreated eye, amplifying the therapy's impact. Quality of life also saw a boost. Patients reported significant improvements in mental health, role difficulties, and overall visual functioning. Their composite score increased by 7 points on the National Eye Institute Visual Functioning Questionnaire. The therapy also demonstrated a favorable safety profile. While some patients experienced mild side effects like cataracts or inflammation, these issues decreased significantly after the first 2 years. Lenadogene Nolparvovec offers hope where there was little before. With sustained visual improvements and long-term safety, this gene therapy marks a transformative step for LHON patients. Future research will explore its potential in younger populations and its intriguing bilateral effects. This is a story of resilience and the promise of science to restore what seemed lost forever.